Hey, how are you doing? This is Tiny House and Off-Grid Resources, a channel that was started in September 2017, so we're 18 months old at this stage. We've just achieved 10,000 subscribers and 1.5 million views. The subject of my videos are tiny house living and off-grid sustainability. I live on a large property in a small New Zealand town in a very alternative manner. I've got all of the mod cons and luxuries of modern day society on my doorstep, but I prefer to live here and eke out a living from my own garden and using my own hands. We've got over 100 videos on the channel now that show you some of the projects that I get involved with around here and how I'm able to help other people who live the same kind of lifestyle as me. For some time I've been producing a range of small off-grid wood stoves, and I've also got myself involved in a handful of really interesting alternative house builds, tiny homes on wheels made using lots of recycled and repurposed resources. Coming up in the next videos that I've got planned will be a series on my own expedition off-road trailer, which is a very compact camping module built on a high-tech trailer with the very best suspension, and also including quite a few pieces of cutting-edge technology. I'm really excited that I've got a couple of companies that I've dealt with in the past coming online with me to help with this project. They're going to be supplying to me products that I can't make myself, or products that are just, quite frankly, so damn good that I'd be silly to try and make my own version of it. Now, because I'm so very, very old and I've been around for such a long time, there are a lot of places in this country that I've been and had some fabulous adventures, but haven't had chance to get back there over the last few years. With this trailer, I'm going to have the ability to get to some pretty amazing remote places and do some trout fishing, gold panning, caving, some surf casting from the beaches, explore the sand dunes and the abandoned relics and shipwrecks of the far north. This trailer, coupled with a capable four-wheel drive, will be all I need, and I want you to join me. So subscribe to the channel now and be first in line to catch these videos as they hit YouTube, which will be generally on a Sunday afternoon, New Zealand time. So that's Saturday night, I guess, for the Americans. Something I really enjoy is the fact that most of my viewers on this channel are from the United States, and I am able to expose myself to some really alternative and quite different attitudes to various things. And it's surprising. I'm learning so much from the interactions that I have with the people in the comments section of my videos. Thank you so much if you've ever placed a comment on any of my videos, and please, if you've got anything to contribute, keep doing it. If you've never commented, let's have a chat. Give me your point of view on some of these things. Show me what you've done. Give me some links. If I am involved in a project and you think of a better way of doing it, let me know in the comments section. Let's have some fun.